as you know, our food is loaded with contaminants. There's herbicides, pesticides, and fungicides coated with oil. And we're taking it home and we're washing it in our tap water. We know that tap water cannot break down oils. And I'm going to show you that right here. So we have our oil here. Here's our oil. And we're going to take the tap water or the bottled water and try to break it down. You're going to notice that it floats. So this one here is the water that breaks down the oil, the 11.5. And it will completely break down oil bonds. This becomes my laundry soap, my carpet cleaner, and my window wash, as well as the water that pulls the contaminants off our food. So these are tomatoes, bought right from the store. And we're going to wash this one over here with our normal water, our water that does not break down those pesticides, which are more toxicity going into the body. This one is our 11.5. And you usually want to let that sit just a little bit because that will even break it down more. Why we're letting that sit? We're going to get the tap water out because tap water contains chemicals like chlorine. So our tap water, because it has that chlorine, that is a carcinogen, which means it causes cancer. And in this book here, I highly recommend that you get it. In this book, it talks to you about cancer rates of people who drink tap water. Bob Wright says 93% more likely to get cancer drinking tap water. So what we have here is chlorine indicating drops. And we're just going to add a couple right here. If it turns yellow, that means there's chlorine. And as you see, it's got chlorine. It's mandated to have chlorine, your tap water. Our skin is our largest organ, and it absorbs toxins and chemicals like chlorine. So when you're showering, all the chlorine is going right into your skin, into your liver, and your body has to deal with all that toxicity. So here's my hand going into the same water I just put those drops in. And my skin is going to absorb that chlorine gas. And as you see here, a couple of drops. Where did that chlorine go? Into my hand, into my skin, into my body. So our company also makes a shower device that goes in and pulls out all those contaminants. And now we're going to get back to the chlorinated, or to the tomatoes here. So here, I'll do this one first for you. So here is those cherry tomatoes. And as you see, it looks pretty clean, doesn't it? Here is the tomatoes after we wash all the chemicals off. Isn't that incredible what we can get off of our food? Now the flavor is denser and it's crisper and it lasts longer and it's healthier for our body. And then we have a beauty water for the skin and the hair, which helps to tighten and tone. It's a light conditioner as well. There's one other water called clean water. It's just filtered water, and that you can take with medication if you'd like. So as you can see, this unit will be on everyone's countertop, and I'm just so honored I was able